Distribution channels. What are they? Why do they matter? Who cares anyways? All right, first things first. Distribution channel. What is it? Twitter's a distribution channel for content. So is TikTok, so is Instagram, all the social networks. Consumers use it, brands use it. That's cool. What's another distribution channel? Email. It's another marketing channel. Disney, what they've done over the years, they created one of the best distribution channels for feature-length motion pictures. And so, before the Pixar acquisition, one of the things Pixar needed is the ability to get their content, their feature-length animated film, into theaters across the nation. How did they do that and all over the world? Well, they partnered with Disney. That's how they did it. So it's not enough that you create your product or your service. You also need to find a way to get that product or service out into the market and get people to see what you've created. So here's the question: what's your distribution channel? Right? Are you using just social media? Are you buying advertisements? What other methods are you using to get out there? Word of mouth is one of the best that's ever existed. Of course, then you need to create something that's so compelling, so new, so different, so amazing, or perhaps not, but I would stay away from that side, that people talk about it. And the only way people talk about things is if you give them something to talk about. So you see a lot of, some of the creators who shall remain unnamed basically go to the extreme in order to get attention. That's not a healthy place to be in. It's hard to create a business on it, and truthfully, it's one of those things where it'll just take you down a path that makes you do more and more crazy things in order to get attention. And I think that's just not a great place to be in. So better is to create content that's more unique, perhaps a more human story, where you can engage with people and connect with them on a deeper, more emotional level, instead of just trying to, sell your product, sell your service, make the most money possible, and, do something that's better for the world. All right, that's just a couple thoughts on distribution channels. We'll go deeper in the future. See you later. Have a great day.